This is how far the renovation at the Sierra Leone Broadcasting Corporation has gone. Seeing the massive modern renovation going on from the mastic walls, lighting system, ACs, floor pavement, among others in offices and studios, the Minister of Information, Chernoba, commended President Bio, the board, management and staff of the SLBC for such development. He said the rehabilitation was part of President Bio's aim to transform SLBC to a modern broadcasting institution. He registered government's commitment to claim all properties belonging to the national broadcaster and provide the necessary modern broadcasting equipment.
We have to continue to train the staff. We have to continue to do more opportunities. We have the other buildings in mind. I don't want to give away too much, but I can assure you that this is the building block for bigger work to come.
While expressing delight for the development, the Director General of the Sierra Leone Broadcasting Corporation, Josephine Fatima Kamara, called for the rehabilitation of the SLBC old building, boreholes for water supply, renovation of the institution's gates, fence for security, and equipment, among others.
What I would really like to see is once this reconstruction is done, let's have the necessary equipment. The rest of the world has moved digital. I am pleading on government not to forget the digitization of the national broadcaster.
The minister admonished the management and staff of the institution to take good care of the facility after it would have been completed. SLBC News, Sulaiman Babatue reporting.